Hi everyone, this is Saloni Chandra and today we will discuss about Delhi's biggest destination development. एक ऐसा यूनिक डेस्टिनेशन प्रोजेक्ट दैट इज फाइनली गेटिंग बिल्ट इन दिल्ली जो हम सब के लिए आउटिंग की डेफिनेशन ही चेंज कर देगा। ये डेस्टिनेशन एक ऐसा कॉन्सेप्ट है जो हम सब इंडियंस के इमोशंस को बाइंड करता है और सेलिब्रेट भी करता है। यस, यू आर राइट, आई एम टॉकिंग अबाउट क्रिकेट एंड मोस्ट इम्पॉर्टेंटली वॉचिंग क्रिकेट टुगेदर। हम सबको अपनी दिल्ली बहुत पसंद है, बट सैडली अगर आज मुझे किसी भी मार्केट में जाना हो, बी इट लाजपत नगर, खान मार्केट और इवन कनॉट प्लेस, all of these places are very crowded, unorganized and there is no space for parking. Not only this, even in the most successful malls in Delhi, क्या आपको लगता है that we have large family entertainment spaces where we all can enjoy that extended family time together? No. और अगर आज हमें क्रिकेट मैच एंजॉय करना हो इन दिल्ली एट कोटला स्टेडियम, वी डोंट गेट पार्किंग और एक एंटरटेनिंग मैच के बाद मुझे 7 किलोमीटर्स ड्राइव करना है इन हेवी ट्रैफिक just to reach to the nearest market for food. And same is the case at JLN Stadium during any concert or event. But this renowned developer, the Omax Group, who has successfully delivered projects across India, has now partnered with the government to solve all these issues in Delhi. A very unique concept where sports meets entertainment, meets luxury brand and food, and all of this at one location in 51 acres with up to 5,000 car parks. This is going to be Delhi's biggest cricket cum football stadium of international standard. A stadium that can even be used for any concert or event. Not only this, it will have large stadiums for other sports as well, such as badminton, kabaddi, boxing, an Olympic-sized swimming pool, and the largest family entertainment space of Delhi. Also, there's a premium 5-star hotel with special glass suites that will look into the greens of the stadium, a premium clubhouse with all amenities, and a 5-screen multiplex. और इन सब स्पोर्ट्स अमेनिटीज के अराउंड अ ब्यूटिफुली डिजाइंड बाजार विद फाउंटेन्स, बुलेवर्ड्स, लार्ज एम्फीथिएटर स्पेसेस, एंड इट विल cater to all your luxury shopping brands and premium restaurant chains. So you can imagine double and triple heighted premium showroom spaces, all glass facade, air conditioned walkways and beautiful balconies. This destination is going to be an experience that you have never ever experienced before. Imagine kariye that there is an IPL match of Delhi Bombay and the entire stadium is full and all you can hear is the noise of the cheer, and after the successful entertaining match you plan to go to the amphitheater and celebrate it with the live music, or you can even end your day at the art gallery. ये सब कुछ हो रहा है at the same site, same location in your very own Delhi. अब आप पूछेंगे कि ये साइट दिल्ली में है कहाँ पे? So to tell you, I haven't seen a site as perfectly located as this. The site is in Dwarka Sector 19B and it is right in between the upcoming hottest tourist landmark locations of Delhi. Right opposite is the Bharat Vandana Park, which is Asia's biggest theme park in 220 acres. इस साइट में सारे इंडियन मॉन्यूमेंट्स की मिनिएचर्स होंगे. इट विल हैव लार्ज लेक्स, इट विल होस्ट लाइट एंड साउंड शोज, सो पीपल नॉट ओनली फ्रॉम इंडिया बट ऑल ओवर द वर्ल्ड विल कम एंड विजिट दिस. द साइट इज few kilometers away from यशोभूमि. यशोभूमि इंडिया का ही नहीं, एशिया का सबसे बड़ा कन्वेंशन सेंटर है. Just to give you an idea, it is 6 times larger than the existing Pragati Maidan. So Yashobhoomi will actually be the location to hold all international and national conventions and exhibitions, just like the G20 summit that happened recently. This site is very near to the diplomatic enclave too. आपको पता ही होगा, DDA ने around 85 acres allocate किया है वो सारी missions और embassies के लिए of 39 countries जो currently rent पे operate कर रही हैं in South Delhi. So you can imagine how premium, how high security zone this area is going to be, just like how Chanakyapuri is in Delhi right now. Not only this, the airport terminal is only 10 minutes away from the location. The nearest metro is just 5 minutes away And the start of Dwarka Expressway near Shiv Murti is also just 5 minutes drive. So you are connected to Dwarka Expressway that further connects you to Gurgaon. और यही नहीं, I'm sure आपको UER2 के बारे में तो पता ही होगा. The 28 kilometer long underground tunnel from Panipat, that tunnel also exits right next to this site. That means Panipat residents will be able to reach here in just 20 minutes. इसके अलावा वसंत कुंज टू शिव मूर्ति NH8 टनल भी कुछ टाइम में रेडी हो जाएगा. That means anyone from South Delhi will also be able to access this site very fast. To sum up, this location will not only be the biggest development of Delhi but entire North India. So you can imagine people not only coming from West Delhi but entire Delhi NCR, entire Dwarka Expressway further extending to Gurgaon, all the bordering cities of Delhi and entire India will be wanting to see this tourist destination. The expected footfall in this location will be in lakhs. I'm telling my investors that ऐसी unique destination and location at the same time पूरे North India में exist नहीं करती. And today you still have the chance to buy premium double and triple heighted glass showrooms on main road. The site can be accessed from all 4 sides and you can choose the unit you want. You can choose to buy a multiplex, you can choose to buy even the restaurant spaces with terraces. ऐसी commercial space, ऐसा asset आपको lifelong high rental income देगा and a capital appreciation that you cannot even imagine. Calling all the smart investors to not miss this opportunity. Contact us to help you with the investment. Thank you so much for watching. Please like, share as much, support us and subscribe.